Assalamu alaikum, welcome back on Rati Educational Academy YouTube channel. In this video I am going to share PPSC Punjab Public Service Commission PMS Pakistan Studies objective portion solved. This paper was conducted yesterday on 19th January 2025. I am going to share objective portion solved. Here we go. Question number 1. Dibal was the first important town in Daesh captured by Arabs in Daesh. And the correct options are Dibal was the first important town in Sindh captured by Arabs in 712 AD. And the ruler was Raja Dair, and the leader from Arabs was Muhammad bin Qasim. Question number 2. Sindh Madrasatul Islam founded in the year Daesh in the city of Daesh. And the correct answer is Sindh Madrasatul Islam founded in the year 1885, 28 December, in the city of Karachi. And this institution was founded by Hassan Ali Afandi. Question number 3. Daesh was declared as ambassador of Hindu-Muslim unity by Daesh. And the correct answer is Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah was declared as ambassador of Hindu-Muslim unity by Sarojini Naidu after Lucknow Pact. Question number 4. In Lucknow Pact, Daesh agreed to give Daesh seats to Muslims in council. And the correct answers are in Lucknow Pact, Congress agreed to give 1/3 seats to Muslims in council. Question number 5. Daesh signed in Sito in the city of Sito, Southeast Asian Treaty Organization in the city of Daesh in 1954 from the side of Pakistan. And the correct option is Muhammad Zafarullah Khan, first Foreign Minister of Pakistan, signed in Southeast Asian Treaty Organization in the city of Manila, Philippines. I think this is the capital of Philippines in 1954 from the side of Pakistan. Question number 6. Daesh courts had been established to deal with cases related to Daesh under 21st Amendment to the 1973 Constitution. And the correct answer is military courts had been established to deal with cases related to terrorism under 21st Amendment to the 1973 Constitution. Question number 7. Indian National Congress was formed in Daesh and it was founded by Daesh. And the correct answer is Indian National Congress was founded in 1885, 28th December, and it was founded by Alan Octavian Hume, A.O. Hume. Question number 8. Daesh opposed Pakistan's membership of United Nations in Daesh, and the correct answer is Afghanistan opposed Pakistan's membership of United Nations Organization in August 1947. For your information, Pakistan joined the United Nations on September 30, 1947. Question number 9. National Action Plan had Daesh elements or methods to deal with the issue of religion Daesh in Pakistan. And the correct answer is National Action Plan had 20 elements or methods to deal with the issue of religion extremism in Pakistan. Question number 10. Daesh and Daesh rivers are in Balochistan. And the correct answer is the important rivers in Balochistan are Zob, Nari, Bolan, Pishin, Lora, Mula, Hab, Porali, and also Hingol. So you may write two rivers in the upcoming blanks. Subscribe to the Educational Academy YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook, TikTok, and WhatsApp. If you want to get past papers of any jobs, any testing service, just comment. Thank you.